Hi, this is Tiger from RobotDigg. Here you can see the R8A 4-axis selective soldering machine. This is a 4th axis. Okay. Here is the Z-axis. When we slowly move, you can feel it's smooth. But when we move it fast, you hear that the noisy. Why this noisy exist? That's because when we move it fast, the motor, the step motor, here inside, which is drive this Z-axis, is energized. So when the motor is energized, so you can hear the noisy because it's you can feel the resistance, you know. So it's normal when you give it power supply, and this phenomenon will disappear. Yeah, so it's not a problem of the linear rail, or you know, some of the customer may say the carriage lost ball bearings. I mean the carriage for the linear rail. This linear rail, the size is MGN 15. When if we get off this and check the linear rail or the carriage of the linear rail, you may see there are space between the ball bearings. That is acceptable because if there is no space left, the ball bearing will get stuck and it do not roll from one side to the other, in circle. I mean, yeah. But if it's there are too many spaces, like 7, 8, that means that maybe it's really need to change the carriage, or bring some ball bearings to fill the carriage to make it fix. Yeah, thanks for watching. And if you have other questions or on this selective soldering machine, the most cost performance machine from RobotDigg, please email us. Yeah, there are two, I mean, dual or double soldering head, R8A dual type soldering machine available. The only problem is that this this soldering machine is you know, do not have English UI, I mean user interface, and you need to make your PC to I mean the operating system in Chinese simplified system to make this machine work. And but as mentioned, this machine sold well because of the cost, and we are going to remove this Z-axis, so I think we can keep the shipping cost down a bit. So yeah, that's a good option. So you just need to mount this Z-axis when you receive the box. Thanks for watching. See you. Keep healthy.